Basically, today I'll be showing you the whole system, and I'll be showing you the passenger app, the driver app, the admin panel, operator app, and the web booker widget. And as we are a white label solution, we customize the system with your company branding, like its name, colors, splash screens. We also release apps in developers' accounts of our partners. So for external team, it looks like partners develop those apps themselves. And after the launch, we remain as technical partners. So we handle all the technical maintenance and support. We cover mapping, hosting, SMS. We provide partners with personal account manager. We have 24/7 support. And it allows our partners to focus on the business because any technical issue will be covered by us. And now we are on the main screen of the driver app. And in the top part of it, we can find today's total information. It consists all the necessary information about today's shift of the driver, like amount of trips completed, distance went through, time spent online, and money earned on today's shift. On the bottom of the screen, we can see pre-orders and services tab. And in services, drivers will be able to review tariffs or service types available to them. Because in our system, you can allow your drivers to receive jobs on multiple tariffs. We have Wallet, and Wallet is the place where your drivers will be able to review their current earnings, and it is the reflection of how much they've earned. Depending on the payment method that you are going to use, we have different solutions for that. And we can switch to the passenger app. Both passenger and driver app are available in iOS and Android. And now we are on the main screen of the passenger app. Here we can find our physical location on the map and also available vehicles nearby. But if you don't want for your passengers to see those vehicles on the map, you may disable this functionality. And in this case, no cars will be visible from the main screen. In the top part of the screen, we also have the delivery part. So if you want to provide a food delivery, there's also a possibility to create a super app, which will have food delivery and transportation functionality in the same application. Next part of passenger app is Wallet. And Wallet is the place where passengers will be able to add their credit or debit card to pay for trips if you are planning to have a payment gateway integration and work with credit card payments as well. We can also provide you with the API. We have Open Wallet API. So if you want to connect some external top-up methods, like for example, your local wallets, it's also possible with that. Now let's create an instant booking. So we press on Order Now. And the first step is to submit pickup and drop-off addresses. Pickup is submitted automatically based on the GPS information, but if needed, you can adjust it. And to submit the drop-off, we press on the drop-off address, and we can type in the address manually, choose from recent or from favorite addresses, and we can also set point on the map. And in this case, system will allow us to move around the city map to find the right spot. Next step is to predefine service type. And in my company demo, we have economy, classic, and business, but you'll be able to create those service types that are required for you. And I'll show you how to set up those tariffs from an admin panel during admin panel overview. But for now, let's go with the classic one. We can also press on each service type to review a more detailed information about it. And the last step is to submit the payment method. Same logic applies here. You will predefine which payment methods you want to accept for each particular tariff, and those payment methods will apply. For now, we can go with cash. So we set pickup point. This screen allows us to predefine the pickup more precisely on a map. We can also leave some comments for drivers with entrance number or with any other comments if needed. And once we are ready, we can confirm the order, and it will be distributed to the best driver in a queue based on our intelligent queue algorithm. Intelligent queue algorithm considers the proximity of the driver to pickup address and their waiting time, and also the behavior of the driver in the system. That means that the system will automatically choose the closest driver with the longest waiting time and the highest acceptance rate and the best behavior in the system. Let's confirm the order and switch to the driver application, where driver receives the notification with the possibility to swipe in order to accept the trip. After driver does that, passenger receives notification that driver is on their way. Approximate time of arrival is shown above the pickup point. And from here, we can also review a more detailed information about the driver. Once the driver is in the pickup, they need to swipe once again to let the passenger know that they have arrived. And passenger receives notification that driver is here. If, for example, passenger and driver can't find each other in a pickup, they can call each other or they can send each other in-app message. And once the passenger is in the vehicle, driver swipes once again to start the trip. And from the right mode, drivers can go to other navigators, like for example, Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or Yandex Navigator. We can also see the traffic load, and we can find ourselves on the map. From passenger side, we can add coupon code and apply it to the current trip. We can share order status for security measures, for example, with friends or family, and we can review order details more precisely. Once the vehicle is in a drop-off address, driver needs to swipe once again to finish the trip. If the payment method was cash, then driver would need to submit that the cash payment was received. And after each successful trip, both passenger and driver will have a possibility to rate each other. And later on, you'll be able to find this information in your company analytics to review the performance of the driver, for example. Now we are in an admin panel. Admin panel is a management tool for you as a company manager to set up your operational area, to add your drivers to the fleet, to set up your service types, and so on. And the first screen of an admin panel is called the dashboard. From the dashboard, we can review drivers and operators in different stages of activation. And we can also review the operational area. At Onde, we have operational area logic, and that means that each panel that you will have will be limited to 100 kilometers in radius. But if you want to launch in multiple countries or in multiple cities, you can set up additional panels for different cities and countries, for example. And all of those panels will be released under the same branding and under your company name, but you'll just have a possibility to switch between multiple panels in an admin panel. And it might be even more beneficial because, for example, you might need to have different currencies for different countries or different tariffs for different cities. Here in analytics, we can generate short analytical reports about your company performance. And if you need a more detailed report, you can generate a CSV file. Next part is called management. And from drivers management, we can add drivers to the fleet. If you don't want to send separate invites to each driver, you can go to driver settings. It is right after under add driver button. And we can press on driver settings and allow sign up via driver app. Next part of the system is called driver plans. And driver plans is the place where you can create subscriptions or commissions that you are planning to charge from your drivers as a company. And we also have driver levels. Driver levels is not an obligatory tool, but it's a tool for you to motivate your drivers to perform better. And with driver levels, you can create different levels and you can lower your commission with every level, and system will automatically transfer driver to a higher level based on the criteria that you specify over there. Next, we have operators or dispatchers, and these are those people who have access to an operator app. Operator app is another part of the system, and its main purpose is manual bookings. To create a booking from there, we need to specify the phone number of person calling in, their customer name. We can also leave customer notes if needed, specify the service type, date and time if it is a pre-order, for example. We can also submit pickup and drop-off address. And after that, we can confirm the order and send it to the fleet automatically if we press on the green button in the right bottom corner of the screen. Or we can assign driver manually by entering their phone number, their driver name, or their board number. We can also use Operator app as a tracking tool. So if we press on the map button, we can review our operational area in real time. So this is our operational area, and we'll be able to review all of the available drivers on the map in real time. To add an operator, we need to press on the green button, submit their name, their email, and decide on the access type that they will receive. You'll be able to read more about each access type in your company demo, but I wanted to tell you a bit more about partner access operator because I think it's a very beneficial type of access because you can share it with your company partners. Like, for example, you partner up with a hotel and you can give this type of access to hotel receptionist, and the hotel receptionist won't be able to review any of your trips, or they won't be able to do any settings, but they'll receive access to the dispatch panel and they'll be able to create bookings for hotel clients for your drivers. Users are your company managers. So, for example, if you have an accountant, or if you have a business partner, or if you want to share admin panel with any of your team members, you can do this, and you don't need to share any passwords or credentials with them. You can just add them as a separate user, and services are service types or tariffs that you are planning to provide to your customers. And we have quite a lot of different service types available in our system, starting with cars, like, for example, economy, classic, business. We also have delivery services, like, for example, bike courier or commercial minibus. We have electric vehicles, we have wheels, we have vans, we have trucks, we have services, wheelchair accessible vehicles, planes and boats, and also professionals. At Onde, we provide you with a very useful marketing tools. It is referral programs and coupon programs, and those programs motivate your passengers to use the app more, to share it with friends or family. And in marketing services, you'll be able to read more about marketing services that we provide at Onde. You can download PDF to read more, or you can schedule a call with our marketing team. And we have internal marketing team working with our clients only, so they have an extensive expertise, and you can read more in about how they may help you over there. You can also activate some additional services, like, for example, fixed rates between zones. And this feature might be very useful because it allows you to draw custom-shaped areas on a map and insert fixed values for traveling from one zone to another. It can be very useful if you are providing airport transfers, for example, because you can draw your city area as area A and airport area as area B, and insert fixed value for traveling from the city to the airport and backwards. We also have PBX integration, and PBX integration is a useful tool if you are planning to work with dispatchers receiving bookings by the phone, because it fills in the phone number of person calling in automatically, and if it is a returning customer, their customer name and customer note will be filled in automatically as well. In billing, you'll be able to review your plan and balance as a company. In operational area, you'll be able to edit your operational area. And within your big circle-shaped area, you can create up to 10 smaller areas. So this is our big area, and you can create circle-shaped areas. custom shaped areas, or you can exclude zones from operating, and you can assign specific service types to specific areas. So for example, let's say we want for our business class to operate only within the city center. We can draw it like that. We can set a name for this working area. We can adjust its form. And after that, we can specify that, for example, only business will be operating over there. We can change the interface language, and it will change the language of an admin panel. And the language of the passenger or driver app depend on the settings of the phone of the user. So for example, if the service language of the user's phone is French, then the application will be in French as well. If it is Arabic, it will be in Arabic. And you can review all of the languages available in our system on our website or in your company demo. Webbooker is the latest part of the system, and you can use it as a webbooker for your computer, or you can use it as a webbooker for your mobile phone. You can put it onto your landing page. You can give it to your partners. And to create a booking from there, all we need to do is to submit the pickup and drop-off addresses. We can also decide if it is a pre-order. We can predefine if it is a pre-order. We can also leave some notes for the driver, predefine the service type, and after that, we need to submit our phone number, press on book, and the order will be sent to the fleet.